name is Andrew Kunambura. I'm the Public Relations Manager for NRZ. We are here in Mutare, between Mutare and Machipanda, where one of our trains was involved in an accident, a fatal accident, in which we lost 3 crew members. What we suspect to have happened is that the train, according to preliminary investigations, suffered brake failure while negotiating a sharp curve. The result was that it failed to negotiate that curve and derailed and then fell into a ditch, resulting in the crew members being trapped, and a fire broke out, killing all 3 of them, of the crews. We want to say condolences to the families of the deceased, and we are praying to God for their comfort and for strength in these difficult times. You know, it's not easy for parents to just go and then never return.
Hapana.
We understand their sorrow and we stand with them, we commiserate with them. Investigations are also underway to establish the actual cause of the train accident, and the nation will be informed in due course of the accident causes. Then the train was carrying chrome concentrates, which were destined for export, as well as granite blocks, all going to Beira for export, and therefore for our customers. So that's another loss we suffered, and also the locomotive and all the wagons suffered serious damages, but that cannot be compared to the loss of lives which occurred here. We bemoan this monumental loss because these were very important members to the NRZ family, and they shall be dearly missed.